Hello, Brainy Sprouts. It's your frosty friend Snow, here on a farm-tastic adventure today. We're going to meet some adorable farm animals and their cute little ones. Are you ready? Let's dive right in. Cow, I'm Calf. First up, we have the gentle cow and her precious calf. Did you know that cows have 4 stomachs? That helps them digest all the yummy grass they eat. Sheep and lamb. Look at these fluffy sheep and their adorable lambs. Fun fact, a group of sheep is called a flock. Beautiful, right? Horse and foal. Galloping in next are the magnificent horses and their sweet foals. Horses can sleep standing up, thanks to a special locking mechanism in their legs. Pig and piglet. Here come the cheerful pigs and their lively piglets. Pigs are super smart and love to play. Oinktastic, hen-emp chick, cluck, cluck. Our feathered friends, hens and their fluffy chicks. Chickens are expert scratchers and love hunting for tasty bugs in the dirt. Duck and duckling. Quack, quack. Splashing onto the scene are the quacking ducks and their fuzzy ducklings. Ducks have waterproof feathers that keep them dry while they swim. Goat and kid. Say hello to the mischievous goats and their curious kids. Goats are excellent climbers and can even scale steep cliffs. Donkey and foal. Trotting over are the kind-hearted donkeys and their playful foals. Donkeys have an excellent memory and can recognize their friends even after years apart. Turkey and poults. Gobble, gobble. Here are the proud turkeys and their fluffy poults. Turkeys have a snazzy waddle, the red thing on their neck, and gobble to communicate. Rabbit and bunny. Last but not least, we have the adorable rabbits and their little bunnies. Rabbits have the cutest twitchy noses and can jump incredibly high. Wow! We learned so much about farm animals and their young today. But the adventure isn't over yet. It's time for our fun task. Brainy Sprouts, in the video description below, you'll find a link to download a fantastic writing worksheet. I want you to choose your favorite farm animal from today, draw a picture of it, and write something cool about it. Then, show it to your parents or teachers. They'll be super proud of your farm-tastic work. And of course, if you had a great time learning about farm animals with me today, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures. You're all farm-tastic. Until our next adventure, keep sprouting and keep learning. Bye for now.